How to fix incoming call receipt full screen problem. To solve this issue, first and foremost, open your Google Play Store application and in the search bar, go ahead and search for phone. Then tap on Phone by Google and tap Open if it's already installed. If not, go ahead and install it. From here, tap on the three-dot icon at the very top of the screen and head to Settings. Tap on Calling Accounts. If you have dual SIM, you have to do the process for both of the SIMs. If not, select any one. Right here, there must be an option called Auto Answer, which you need to go ahead and disable by simply toggle it off. Once you do that, now the next thing what you can do is to enable your Do Not Disturb mode. Drag your quick access and press and hold your Do Not Disturb. And to initiate it, simply toggle it on. And at the bottom, you have seen the option called Exceptions Allowed to Interrupt. Tap on Calls, and if it's on anyone, set it to None. Then, once it is done, no one will disturb you while you are in this Do Not Disturb mode. And you can play your games, enjoy a movie, or you can do whatever you want to do. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.